Okay, now let's check his software. Okay, this software is suitable for ACR122U, and let's see its functions. And currently, and we just put a lot of card where you can see its history, uh, version 1.6, and support was text, and now it's supporting Archlight, MiFi, Death5, and Archlight C, EV1 Acture, and you can see what this is the card is supported, and check 213, 215, 216, Death5. Okay. Now we use the card for testing. Okay, firstly we place our Archlight card here. Show reader first ACR122. Okay, now we connect this card, and you see the software information here. Okay, so you just can see its command, or you can just read or write. Firstly, we just read the pages. Now see that all the pages are ready. Okay, then we can just add it. Okay, you can accept it. You can just use this to add it. Okay, you can just write it. See that? Okay, it has been changed. See that? Okay. Now, and also has a lot of command here. You can string write, for example, you can string write something. For example, a lot of text here. Okay, I think string write means that it's not hex, but ASCII. So we're starting from starting from block from block 4. Okay, see, you see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so this is string editor. Okay, in ASCII. Okay, there are other functions that you can set in passwords, author passwords, configure pages, and for example, and the lookup functions, and also can be found is root. Okay, so this Archlight, and we change another card. For example, change the Death5. It's Death5 4K. Just okay, hit a bit and see the software. Currently, it supports Death5 EV1. Okay, it's a bit slow. Okay, we have the master files and application files. You can just create it. Create the application here. Authentication. Create applications using this one. Okay, you can create a lot of applications by here, and the master files here. Okay, create it. The password, the keys, file systems, and also verify the date from here. So it is just 5 part. Okay, Archlight C. Change another card as Archlight C. Okay, now is identified as Archlight C. Okay, also can just read the pages. You see, here is the pages Archlight C, and also can edit yeah, page 7, page 8, page 10. You can just setting just edit the number. You can edit the numbers or decimal, for example decimals, or you can just input ASCII text here and to write. And when you have down here, you can just write it. Okay, for example, just write it 11 and write. Okay, change back to 00. See that? Okay, and you can also just try TV1. You can just you can string right here or dynamic lock the yes locking the blocks. Also can configure passwords and also can add some keys and also add some values here. Okay. So this is actually light C part, and Intel 213, the testing Intel 213. Okay, Intel 213. Okay, Intel 213. Go with the pages. Okay, it's Intel 213's pages, and then there are also the dynamic locks, string write, configuration, password, and also can check the signatures. Yes, also has a counter. Counter values can also be checked from here. And also can lock the blocks here. So by this software, you can just freely edit and encoding the text you wanted, and you will easily to show all the text memory blocks in a very easy way and UI. Yes. And also my file 1K. Let me check the card. My file 1K. Oh, just found my file 4K. Also the same. Okay, connect. Okay, it's my file 4K. You can see. Okay, just also can go. Because there's a lot of the sectors and blocks, it takes more time in gather data. Okay, you can just authenticate each block, any block to by is key A or key B. Sorry, it's a bit slow here. Okay. And also change the date here. Okay, choose sectors. Example key A or key B to authentication, and also can just create value blocks here. For example, yes, or for example for which can be used for one card. You can just charge and charge your card. So you can write the value block, write any block as value block, and also you can just write the date here. Yeah, this is hex and it's charts. Normally we're just using the hex to do the encoding. 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, now we just write sector 2 and block 0 as this one. You can just just check, and they block current. Authority, date block, value block, date block. Date block. Rewrite. Sector card notification. Sector 2. Block 0. Yes. Okay. It's now because we didn't authentication this block, so now we can just edit. You can see that we can write it right here. Yeah, we have just write it, and you can see sector 2 block 0, sector block 0. See that this data has been written into here. Okay, now just change back to it. Turn back to it. Okay, now turn back to 0, and also for UID card, you can just use this command to change the UIDs. Here you can just change the block 0 by this 1. Okay. Also you can load the current text here to do some clone or copy to edit. And so this is, you can also just setting the keys by easy key by here, KLTV. By this you can just edit to blocks easily. So this is the my file part, and as you can see that you can just edit. You can just edit this card. Suppose this card class 1K, 4K, Ultralight EV1 and Ultralight C, and tag 203, 210, 212, 213, actually, and that's 5 EV1. Okay, so this is all